and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about AI. You all know the power of AI. Today I'm going to introduce you to Google AI, and Google is offering 10 courses for free. So if you are ready, let me show you the courses. As I said, Google is offering 10 free AI courses. No money needed. So here are the courses. The first one is Introduction to Generative AI. This is an introductory level micro-learning course aimed at explaining what responsible AI is. We have the second one, which is Introduction to Large Language Model and Introduction to Responsible AI. After that, we have Generative AI Foundation, Introduction to Image Generation. We have Encoder Decoder Architecture, Attention Mechanism. We have Transformer Models and BERT model. We have the ninth, which is Create Image Captioning Model. And the last one, which is Introduction to Generative AI Studio. So I will show you the link where you can go through and start the registration and start learning. Here are the link. Okay, this is the first link, Cloudcal Boost.google. You can see it here. So copy it and paste it into your browser and you start. From here, you can register. You register here. You can see I'm logged in. After that, you start learning. Let me go back and show you how it looks like. Okay, when you log in first, this is what you see here. You see 8 hours introductory and it is free. As I said, you can see it is an introductory level micro learning course. Okay, now after this, you can see we have 2 videos here, Introduction to Responsible AI and Introduction to Responsible. The quiz is here. Okay, after that, you can see I'm enrolled. If you are not enrolled, this one will be green and you click on it and enroll. So after that, you can see we have next activity here, Introduction to Responsible AI. So it will take you through up to the 10th course. As I said, it is 10 different courses.
Hello and welcome to Intro.
So you can see this one is how many hours? 8 hours, as I said. So you go through it one after the other. When you finish, you get certified by Google. So this is the second one here, Introduction to Large Language Model. You can see it here. And after that, after you finish this one, you can also go to the third one, after third, fourth, up to the 10th one. You get certified by Google. So if you enjoyed the video, if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section, and this link I'll copy it and paste it in the video description. You can copy it. You can also follow the link. Thank you for watching. Follow our link, follow our channel. Also, if you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Bye.